spend my days being ready to go. I have lived my life on the road.
Yes, it's William, and he's back in the studio. And what are we going to talk about today? Or what's in this box? Oh, it's heavy. What's in this box? Because it's heavy. Okay. Let's talk about this for a second. You're going to get into RV transport, or you're just going to build something custom, right? Well, everybody out there, every YouTube channel out there always talks about the same mattress company, right? Well, I'm not going to talk about that mattress company because that mattress company just doesn't quite work for us, okay? Well, why am I saying that? Why am I saying that? Because our mattresses have to be not just a certain width or a certain length, they have to be a certain thickness. Most of those other companies out there have like a 6-inch, 8-inch, 12-inch, 10-inch, and then they make it the width and the length that you need, right? Okay. Well, that wouldn't work for us because depending on how you build your bed from flat up like ours is set up so we can put everything underneath it, the storage and everything, or you're going to go with a different angle, whatever you're going to do, you need to make the thickness that works for you. Okay, what do most people do? William, what do most people do? There's some funny stories out there, but I know of one just the other day. One of my referrals says he went to Walmart, and I've heard this many times. They spend like anywhere from $150 to $200, and they get one of those foam-looking things, whatever, and then they go over and they buy a turkey knife. This is the first time I've heard of that because I cut mine the hard way. I didn't even think about a turkey knife. So I'm figuring, I don't know, turkey knives, 30, 40, 50 bucks. I don't know. Before you know it, they got anywhere from $150 to $250, $300, depending on which mattress they buy at Walmart. Then they get their turkey knife out and they cut it. Okay? You put a sheet on it. That's fine. Whatever you do. You still have a mattress that's cut. It's always fraying. It's always leaving a little bit of it behind, reminding you of that turkey knife, right? I didn't want that. And mine's a little different because what I did is I took a futon mattress, a queen size futon mattress, folded it in half and fit perfect, but it still wasn't thick enough. Then I bought a 2-inch cooling foam and laid on top of it. It worked, okay? But it didn't, it always bugged me because it just kind of lumpy and just, it wasn't what it was supposed to be. Why am I talking about this today? Because, well, you can't perform at your top level if you're not sleeping good. You're already sleeping in a truck in a rest area dealing with loud noises and all that. Can you imagine if you had the perfect mattress for the perfect height, cut the perfect way, to fit in your spot that you designed all the way you wanted to design it? Well, that's what is in this box. Okay? Let's talk about it for a second. I'm gonna pull it out of the box, show you what we got. Then I will cut it open, let it expand and everything, and then I will show it in the truck. And then I'm going to go and use it on this next 2-week adventure. But I always got mail. Every time I turn this phone on, I always got mail. Okay. Well, oh, it's actually telling me that my mattress just got delivered. Funny how that works, right? But let's get down here and... Oh, I got too many emails. Here it is. Okay. Custom Mattress Factory. Robin will have everything down in the description. You can click on it. It'll take you right over there. But it's Custom Mattress Factory. Why do I recommend them? Well, Custom Mattress Factory, out of all the ones out there, got back to me just like that. You know, I reached out to that one that everybody talks about. Months dealing with them. I was like, I will just pay for my mattress. You just never could get anywhere with a lot of these companies. People like that, I don't want to do business with. We're in a business where we need it now, okay? Well, Custom Mattress Factory reached out and they said, William, what do you want? I said, well, these are my dimensions. So my dimensions are 37 wide by 59 long. And if I get it 7 inches high, it fits for my application perfectly. There's going to be more coming out on the video on the truck why I needed 7 inches, and you'll find out that longer. But a lot of companies are like, well, I can make that for you, but it's only going to be 6 inches. or I can do it in 9 and 8 inches or 10 inches. I go, no, I need 7. Okay, you might not need 7, but anybody that's watched my other videos, when you're trying to make your bed fit in there a certain way, a lot of guys don't want that because they drop their bed lower so that they can set up in their bed. I don't need to set up. I just lay in there. It's for sleeping. I don't need to set up in there. I'll set up in one of my chairs, hang out on my iPad. It works for me. But you, let's say now you're going to drop your bed all the way to the floor. You could get a 10-inch or a 12-inch made in that size and get even more, make it more comfortable. Because when I reach out to companies, they're like, William, I want a soft mattress, okay? Some people want a hard, it doesn't really matter, but I want it soft. He's like, we can only make it so soft with 7 inches. And I said, I understand that. Give me the most you can out of that 7 inches. Further in this video, I'm going to show you over the next couple weeks out on the road how and what I feel about the mattress and how it's working. But right now we're going to get it unboxed. We're going to show it to you. Just remember, everything will be down in the description below. If you just came across this video for the first time, you like the video, give us a thumbs up, okay? If you really like the video, subscribe. Go up in that top corner, hit that bell notification. If you're thinking about becoming an RV transporter, everything's down in the description below. You click on it, it takes you out to Wave. You use my name, William Sikora, and you will get all the help that I can give you. Plus, you get all these videos of all the products and the ways to make it so you're prepared for your first day of orientation. So many guys go to orientation, don't have half their stuff, don't have their truck set up, they can't sleep in it, they're uncomfortable, and within 2 days they can't do that no more, and what are they doing? They're going to a hotel. Every penny that you waste in the hotels, if you did it right, you'd have your truck set up just like mine. And you'd be making money at this job. So I want you to remember that. Okay, what's the name of the mattress company? It is Custom Mattress Factory. Let's get this thing open and see what we got. Got my little razor blade knife right here. Try not to do anything where we're gonna cut our mattress. These people were fast. I told them what I wanted to do with the video, how I wanted to show their product, how I'd be using it all the time. And they did not mess around. They were right on top of their game. It was awesome. It was a great experience. I want to thank you for that. And look at this. It's all here. This thing's got some weight. I'm kind of glad it's got some weight because then on those shocks that I have back there, when I tilt my bed down, it will actually hold it down. I don't have to run over and click my seat backwards to get it to stay in place. This has got more mattress. So there must be more, there's more to this than just that cheap little thing you buy from Walmart that doesn't work right, that you're getting your turkey knife out and cutting it. Heck, you might as well get a turkey baster and just baste that mattress and that can be your dinner. I mean, I love the guy that told me that though. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. I never thought of that. I did it the hard way. This is not gonna be easy. Watch it knock me right over. It's gonna move all my stuff. It's gonna knock off my thing off the table here. Let's see what we got. I'm excited about this, I really am. I've been waiting for this. Okay. You're like, come on, William, hurry up. It's like, you know, when you buy that brand new iPhone and you're unpacking it. Never thought I'd say that about a mattress. But I sleep in a truck. I live in a truck. I'm gonna have new videos coming out talking about how I live in a truck. Van life is dead because you know what? Live in a 1-ton dually that can actually make money for you and still do everything that everybody else does in van life, right? I'm telling you, I'm taking it to a new level. Let's pop this open and see what happens. Oh, I just hear the air going into it. It's just, let's try not to cut my pretty new mattress. Let's take a look. Oh, it's so soft. It's so nice. And look at this. It's like the perfect mattress. It's like it was made right for sister wife, right? Oh, I'm gonna get so much good sleep on this thing. It's gonna be so amazing. look at that. I'm excited, right? You're going to be excited too, because you know what? This will change your life. Let's get it in the truck. Now that's what it looks like in the truck. Am I happy with this thing? I can't even tell you how happy I am with this. Let me just turn the camera around here. In the last week, I have got the best sleep that I've got in this truck ever, and just as comfortable as I do in my Riverstone, and I think even more comfortable than I do at the bed we have now in the house that we're in, because I love my mattress in the Riverstone, but this, I cannot tell any difference. I mean, I wake up feeling the same way with this than I do with the other mattress. Now, it could be that red light therapy that I'm doing if you watch that video, but I'm super, super happy with this product. They did a great job on this. Everything will be down in the description below. If you decide to go this route, you won't be disappointed. You just won't be disappointed at all. So there's our review on the mattress. There's me using it. Everything from the unboxing, showing you everything, talking about the difference with this company and other companies, and how it works, and how much better you will sleep if you just go this route. When I first priced this, it was like $300. So it might be that around that $300 range. By the time you go and to Walmart, and the turkey knife and all that stuff, why not just get something that's made right for it? It fits perfect, and there's no thinking about it, right? How do we end the videos? Like we always end them. Always.